Hey YouTube, Berserker Nick here. Let's build a Haro. Well, here we go. I got these custom gyro cups installed. These are a 32.7 for a 1 1/8 fork. Also got my lower gyro G3 bottom cup installed. Check that out. That's gonna look pretty rad. Got the stem and fork installed. Looking pretty good. I don't have the gyro or upper gyro plate on here yet. I need to have the inside of the gyro machine just a little bit for clearance around the cup. And then that'll be good to go. Would you look at it? Would you just look at it?
Look at it.
Just look at it. Got the crank installed. Nice Fusion crank. The Fusion sprocket. Fusion pedals. Ooh. Got the seat post, seat clamp installed. Got our nice Vans Colt seat, Odyssey post, Fusion double seat clamp. Bike's looking pretty rad right now. Hopefully next week I'll be finishing it up. So next week I'll be throwing on the rims, the brakes, and probably the chain. So hopefully be able to get this thing done. Be able to get to riding this thing, having some fun on it. Hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. Keep shredding.